Stuck trying to turn a deal into a lead in Pipedrive? I know that frustration. You see the deal sitting there, but the option to convert it just seems to be hiding. I will show you exactly where to click to get it done in under a minute. No guesswork, no digging through menus, just a straight path from confusion to confidence. So here's the plan. First, we will open the deal we want to convert. Then we will use the three-dot menu up in the top right corner to find the convert option. And finally, we will hop over to the leads inbox to make sure everything went through correctly. All right, let us start by opening up Pipedrive. Go ahead and log in if you were not already there. Then click Deals in the left sidebar. That is the main list where all your active deals live. Now, open the specific deal you want to convert. Just click on its name to pull up the full deal details page. Give it just a moment for the page to load. Pipedrive loads pretty quickly, but let it fully render before we move on. Once the deal details are on screen, here is where the magic happens. Look up to the top right corner of the page. See those three little dots stacked vertically? That is the three-dot menu, and it is your gateway to all the advanced actions for this deal. Go ahead and click that three-dot menu. A drop-down will appear with several options. Take a quick look through the available deal actions. You will see things like edit, delete, maybe duplicate, but we are looking for one specific option here. And here is the really important part. Scroll down or look through that menu until you find the option that says Convert to a Lead. It is usually near the bottom of the list, and it is clearly labeled, so you know exactly what it does. Click Convert to a Lead. A small window or panel will pop up asking you to review the conversion details. This is where Pipedrive wants to make sure you are sending the right information over. It will often ask if you want to keep or merge certain fields, like the deal value or the contact name. Just double-check that everything looks correct. If you are prompted to confirm the action, go ahead and do that now. Click the Confirm button. Then just wait a few seconds for Pipedrive to process the conversion. It usually finishes in just a moment, but sometimes it takes a little longer if you have a lot of data attached. Once it is done processing, click Leads in the left sidebar. Then open your Leads inbox. That is where all your converted leads will land. And now for the satisfying part. Verify that the converted lead appears in the list. You should see the same deal name or contact name right there, now labeled as a lead. That is how you know it worked. And there you have it, from deal to lead in just a few clicks. No more wondering if the option even exists or wasting time hunting through settings. Once you have done this a couple of times, it will feel like second nature. So go ahead and give it a try with one of your own deals, and you will be converting them like a pro in no time.